meet you.
My first time to be in your beautiful campus.
It's great pleasure to host you.
Pleasure.
At International Balkan University, we had the honor of welcoming Her Excellency Jiang Xiaoyan, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to North Macedonia, accompanied by a distinguished delegation including Ms. Zhou Jin, professor and young designer, Jiang Xiaoxi, renowned fashion designer and lead director of China International Fashion Week, Feng Jinglei, fashion creative director, Shu Xingyuan, and young jewelry designer, Chen Ziwei, along with embassy representatives Ren Yan, First Secretary, and Li Dongqing, Second Secretary. This high-level visit marked a significant moment for our institution, reflecting our ongoing commitment to internationalization, intercultural dialogue, and the strengthening of global academic and professional partnerships. The delegation was received by our Rector, Professor Dr. Lütfi Sunar, and Vice Rector, Assistant Professor Ahmet Lokce, as well as members of the academic staff from the Faculty of Art and Design. During the meeting, we engaged in a constructive exchange of ideas, experiences, and perspectives, exploring potential avenues for future collaboration in areas of shared interest. As part of the visit, our rector presented an official institutional gift to Her Excellency Jiang Xiaoyan as a gesture of appreciation and respect, followed by a guided campus tour that showcased our academic facilities and creative learning environment. The program concluded with a guest lecture held at the Blue Amphitheatre, where our students and academic community had the valuable opportunity to engage directly with internationally recognized experts. Through initiatives such as this, we continue to expand our global outlook, enrich the academic experience of our students, and strengthen our role as a hub for knowledge exchange, creativity, and international cooperation.